Good morning. Thank you for coming on Today Media. On Today Media, you can like, subscribe, and watch on YouTube all about issues happening, news, reactions to developing news all around the world. Today, we are looking at what we have to say about Atiku Obi come 2027.
Good morning, my brother. May God bless you. From Atiku to join Obi, it's not a bad thing. It's a very good development. But by the time they are getting up, Atiku should step down for from Obi totally. If he cannot step down, Obi should not near him the man. We don't trust Atiku at all. But for Atiku to join him is a good development. By the time we rub one bad with one good, it can be okay. But in which political party? Is he in PDP or they are going to mention another name? Is Atiku going to Labour? Let everything clear. Obi should not sleep. If truly he wanted to move with Atiku, Atiku is not somebody we trust, but we like him. He's part of our father. We don't trust him, but we trust Obi. Obi is a very clean somebody. Now, when Obi is nearing Atiku, he has to be very careful. He has to be very careful. He's supposed to, he should tell Atiku what he wants, and if Atiku cannot do it, let him off immediately. Tomorrow is very better for him. That is what I would say.
Okay, Professor Woloseyika said Obi and his team is not competent to rule Nigeria. From your own angle, Obi has a record, no EFCC. He has never stepped into any dock for any crime, financial crime. But we have seen Bola Ahmed Tinubu, being harassed some time ago by Nuhu Ribadu, former EFCC chairman, and was taken to court. Either he was innocent or not. He has been involved in accused of financial crime. What is
normally, my brother, if Professor Woloseyika can say such a thing, I will say it's a political word. Yeah, he can't condemn Obi like that. Obi have never flushed in the dirty places before. We never had part of Obi. He lose election, it doesn't mean that it's not clean. Because we know the system of the Nigeria is a system of, let us say, they like Satan, they like black thing. But normally, we will beg Obi he should not listen to anybody. If he want to become a president, and if God support him, all this world will not affect him. But he should take care of himself. He should be careful of Atiku. Because Atiku may near Tinubu and rubbish him too. Atiku is a money like somebody. You understand me? And he's hungry for power. Later now, they will pay them in the north that they should sideline Obi. Obi should stand alone. Even though when he doesn't rule Nigeria as a president, let him cling to heaven. That is what I would say, my brother.
Okay, Labour Party, PDP, people are saying that Atiku should be one of the pillars that will drive PDP support for Labour Party presidential candidate, with either whether they match or they don't match, whichever way, Atiku should be at the background to support Obi 2023, 2027. What do you think about that?
It's a very fine development. We need some political, minus APC, we want a strong opposition that will drive this nation to the normal place.
But you are a Yoruba man. Why are you not supporting Tinubu for a second time?
I support Tinubu for second time. It doesn't mean, I will even vote for him for second time.
Okay.
But it doesn't mean that we should condemn another party. My brother, if I am in the room, if I don't do well, it is people that doesn't like me that will tell me that I'm a bad somebody and I will change.
So, are you comfortable with Tinubu's 1 year in office?
You know, when you like somebody, you won't give him a 0. I give him 99. You can see. I love him. That's why he's a father.
Okay, but not based on competence and performance. You just love him as a father.
My brother, even though when your children wee for body, you will clean their body. nothing can change me from the man back. I love him. So, I didn't say it's a perfect and it's not Jesus.
So lastly, what's your message for Nigerians?
Nigeria should calm down. Everybody should follow his mind. So, election is by number. Gather yourself if you want to take power from Tinubu and make sure you voted.